You're frying your favorite meal, and suddenly fire. Hot oil has caught fire on your stove. What do? Most people panic, and that's when the real disaster begins. But don't worry, today I'll show you exactly what to do to stay safe and save your kitchen. First, stay calm. Panic is your worst enemy. The fire is small now, but one wrong move could turn it into an inferno. Take a deep breath. You've got this. Step 2. Do not, I repeat, do not use water. Never ever pour water on burning oil. Water and oil don't mix. Instead, the water sinks, turns to steam, and explodes hot oil everywhere. That's how kitchen fires spread fast. Next step is to turn off the heat source. Quickly but carefully turn off the gas or electric stove. No more heat means no more fuel feeding the fire, but don't move the pan. You might spill the burning oil. Now grab a metal lid, a baking tray, or even a damp, not wet, cloth, and cover the pan. You're cutting off the fire's oxygen, and that's how you suffocate it. No oxygen, no fire. Simple science. Finally, get out. If the flames are spreading or you can't reach the stove, don't be a hero. Get everyone out, close the kitchen door, and call emergency services immediately. Your life is more important than any kitchen appliance. Here is my free advice. Always keep a fire blanket or Class B fire extinguisher in your kitchen, and make sure you know how to use it before an emergency happens. So let's recap. Stay calm, never add water. I repeat again, never add water. Turn off the heat, cover the fire, and evacuate if it's too much. Now, share this video. It might just save a kitchen one day. Stay safe, stay smart, and keep cooking. And remember, never fight fire with fear, fight it with knowledge. Lastly, hit the subscribe button for more safety and health tips.